Hi guys, it's Fatima here, and here's my best buddy, One-Eyed. And he's starting to talk a little bit, so for this video you might hear how he talks. So, yeah.
Hi Fatima, I got a great idea today for arts and crafts.
What is it?
Well, it's actually going to be a piggy bank of me.
Oh, okay. I'm going to open you up and see what it is. A plate? Why would you need a plate? Blue paint. Oh yeah, for his skin. A box for the piggy bank. A huge pencil. A paintbrush. Okay, you gave me some mysterious stuff. How about let's pour some... We don't really need a plate, so I think you gave it me to pour the paint on it. Or maybe I put this over it so it can't get on the table. Then I'll start swishing it around here. I love it, One-Eyed?
Yeah?
I love it when you give me great ideas for my videos.
Oh, it's my pleasure.
Yep, and I can't wait to see how this turns out of a version of you. And maybe someday we can make up a whole set of you.
That would be fun.
Yeah, sure. So, I will come back when I'm all done making this. Whatever, this piggy bank.
Okay.
Okay, so I am back with this all painted up and down and all around. So, One-Eyed, can you tell me what else I have to do?
Yeah, so now you have to paint my face. So why don't you look inside of my magic box and see what I have for you?
Okay. White, turquoise, and black, and a paintbrush. Okay, I'll paint your face. And I'm gonna make, and you might want to stay still. Of course you'll stay still because you're a box. And so I can paint your face. So I have to start with the eye. I'm actually gonna keep that closed. I'm gonna undo this. Oh, I'm thinking about how should I paint it. So you wanna do a circle. You wanna paint a white circle on the top, just like that. And you want to then paint. Wait, come on. Then you want to paint the inside of it black. I need a wipe. Thanks. And I'm gonna paint the inside of the circle black. Try to let that dry quick so you can do the dots inside of his eye. Okay. And then you want to do the smile and stuff and the cheeks. Do the dots inside, one big one in the middle, and other small ones around it. Now, I am doing the smile. It's my favorite part about him. And so, One-Eyed, how about we can maybe for the next video, maybe we can make another version of you. And maybe we can make... okay, I need to think about the next one we can make.
I'm sure I'll have a good idea.
Okay. Yeah, you always have a good idea.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Now, I'm just making the sides of his smile. Gonna make it out. I should have did the outline at first. Oh no, it's turning gray. I want black. Looks like a heart rather than a smile, but it looks good. Now I'm going to do the lines in a smile. Looks funny. And then now, for the finish off, the cheeks, my favorite part. Still paint it black. Now I just need to close these. Now I need to open this. I like it when sometimes I'm gonna paint something and there's some more paint in the lid so I don't have to waste it.
Wow, Fatima, that looks just like me.
I'm sure it does, and I'm sure that you are gonna like make a whole entire family. So guys, I'm gonna wait for this to dry, and I know it's gonna be quick. And yeah. And then, yeah, I'm gonna come back because we need to make a hole in here. So, because it's a piggy bank. And yeah. Bye. Okay, now that the face dried off, you wanna cut a hole, but you wanna keep the bottom. You want to keep the bottom filled in. And you want to leave a little bit of space on the bottom so like the money doesn't fall out. Then you want to open it. Then you want to open it and you can put your money in here, like dollars or quarters or anything like that. And you want to make sure that your box has an opening to it. And, yeah, that's it for your video. Did you like that one-eyed?
I did. I really enjoyed you making me.
Yeah, trust me, we'll make a lot of more things like this, okay?
Okay, sounds fun.
Bye. Now, here comes the magic. Open the lid. Put the coin in.